Then when was the last time you played horses?
Yeah.
When was the last time you played horses? Do you know what horses? You see, that's why I'm saying. That's the reason I'm saying. You have to. It's more like you're playing a set, right? I think you're using USBs. Yeah. So maybe you're not cutting, you know. Like especially when we are saying your neighbors and everything. Now we don't know which song now is popping. Like what is going on here? Those are the horses.
Okay, the last time we go down. Yeah. And then I was too nervous. How were you?
And then how did the crowd react?
They were normal. I think most of the people they understand or too. So
episode 6 up next. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time I drop a video, you'll be notified. Today we are in Alexandra, Gomorrah, LX. We are here to chat with DJ Fry about their work, everything, what to do, and yeah. DJ Fry, please introduce yourself to our audience.
Okay, hello, my name is Francina. I'm from LX. I go by the name of DJ Fry. Yeah.
Is that all? Come on, give me something. Okay, by the way, so tell me, and then how the DJing came about? You know, why music?
It was just a love of interest in J. So I grew up listening to music most of my time because my mom was selling us alcohol, so obviously there's music every time, so that's when my love developed for music.
What kind of music were they playing?
They were playing
at the tavern.
They were playing jazz, obviously, soul, R&B.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So there was no way maybe they were playing your kwaito.
Not really.
Those old school vibes.
Old school, yes, but not really kwaito. Only soul, jazz, and
those kind of music. I hear you, man. So, how long have you been DJing?
I can say a year.
For real? Just a year?
A year.
Being that good?
2 years.
2. Yeah, a year or 2.
Oh, okay. 2 years. Oh, okay. That's not. And then, by the way, who inspired you to be a DJ? You know, somebody who push you to be a DJ.
Truly speaking, it was it's something that I was already passionate about, but seeing some of the DJs like DJ Lamizi, and then I'm thinking, well, if she can do it, I can also do it.
Yeah. You're like, nah, man, I'm going for DJing.
Yeah.
So, oh, that's nice, man. And then when you start your career, did anyone in your family supported you when you wanna say I wanna be a DJ, or they were like, nah, this one she's just lazy, she don't wanna work?
They did support me, especially my mom.
Right.
Yeah, like everyone around me is just supportive.
Okay, so at home it's you and your mom only, or you have like siblings?
I have my mom, my sister, my kids. Yeah.
So is there anyone, especially besides your kids, on your mom's side, your siblings, is there anyone who is a DJ?
No.
So you're the first DJ?
I'm the first.
Oh, shout out. Shout out. Okay, and then what do you love the most when it comes to DJing?
Attention.
Oh, my gosh! Oh, that's it. It's like that one was already on the yeah. I was like
attention.
For real.
Yeah.
But it seems like you are like
shy.
Yeah, very shy person. Honestly speaking,
you are attention.
For real.
Attention. That's why I get a face beat. Because no, I get natural never. Maybe.
And then what time do you start your what time do they book you to play? You know, how can I put this? How can I put these things? Normally, okay. What time do your set start?
Normally, there's no normally there because it depends.
Yeah.
Where, who,
yeah.
If it's someone who knows you and someone that knows what kind of music I play,
okay.
Maybe they can book me earlier because of how I play, and then also sometimes they book me late. It just depends. There's a normal time.
Yeah, where they know when they book DJ 55, you know that she's gonna start maybe at 7 or so. There's no specific time.
There's no.
Do you have a manager?
No.
Why are you smiling when I ask, do you have a manager? Yeah, I wanna know like who's handling all this booking, who's
I do everything for myself.
For real?
But at least get a partner and support them every time.
Yeah.
Wherever I go.
Yeah.
A person sometimes we don't sleep.
Yeah.
We rather sleep late.
Yeah.
Selecting songs. Is this song right? Is this song? Oh.
Yeah.
So at least to a manager.
So does he even name this partner of yours?
Sure.
Please show the partner, guys. He's just sitting here with us. No, it's good, man. It's good when you have like a supportive partner, especially on this journey. You know, a lot of people can take advantage because you're a woman. You know, so just to have maybe somebody can spike your drink or do something. You know, but at least if you have somebody who's checking your stuff when maybe you're going on the desk and stuff, something like that. So what's the one thing audience do most of the time that you like when you're busy DJing?
When they sing along to a song that I'm playing, so
that's what keeps the energy. By the way, guys, yesterday you were playing at
Massaking 8th of May.
Yeah, so she was playing at Massaking 8th of May. Yeah, whatever car somewhere there. We had to go there and watch her play. It's very, very nice. It's all an R&B, that you do. But I'm gonna convince her to do my piano as well. So it's a very, very nice set that she was doing. People were busy vibing. At the end of this chat or this interview, I'm gonna drop a videos while she was busy playing. So stay tuned, guys. So okay, tell me, DJ Fry, and then how was your first set like when you start like the first time you step on top of that
stage?
Yeah. How was it like, and how does it feel now?
It's still the same.
Being 2 years in the game,
2 years means nothing. I still get nervous.
Yeah.
Every time it feels like the first day. Every day the first day for now. Because you don't play at the same place every day. So obviously the audience, it's funny. So that's why I get nervous every time. The nerves never go.
No. I'm sorry, but we have to choke down that feel, man. Because we can come on like 2 years in the game.
Nerves,
yeah.
Most of the time it's because of you want to be perfect.
Oh,
not because I'm scared. Again, go appear as if you what better DJ. You know, what perfect every time.
No, I get
perfection.
No, I get
it's the way to go.
Shut up. And then, what technique do you use, you know, to keep the audience energized? Because I saw people busy singing along, you know, doing what you do there. So what technique do you use? You know? Because you're a shy person. So and then you have to entertain people. So what technique do you use?
I can say usually, I just maybe keep Google sometimes to see what makes people happy. Because sometimes I can say this song is good, Hunter, but they won't go for it. So it's rather Google and see what usually makes people happy.
Well, how do people interact with so? Because
you can introduce a song and they won't like it. They rather listen to something that they are used to.
Yeah, because my next question was what's your style of how can I put this? What is your favorite style of music that you enjoy most? Because you're saying you're playing, you are a soul and R&B, right? So that's the only thing that you play.
Soul, most R&B here and there, but most soul.
Yeah. Nah, man, I have to convince your partner. The partner, I don't know, maybe it's a manager or just a partner, but I have to convince him. She have to, because if you're a DJ, you can be booked, because people can like you for playing your soul music. You know, thinking that you can fit on each and every genre because you are a DJ. You know, because when we see the DJ Fry, we don't see and then that R&B DJ. No, we see you as a DJ. You know. So somehow, man, I have to learn how to fit in, because you don't know, like, which booking's gonna come, like flooding on your way. Because it may happen if you change. Because it may happen you're holding yourself. Maybe I can say to blow up. Because mostly I am assuming that mostly they book you around Alexandra. You even go outside Alex. So you see. So is that your dream, just to do? You see? So come on, let's explore some other genres and see how it's gonna go, man.
Okay.
Maybe after 2 years or 1 year.
Another 2 years again, dog. Come on, man. No.
Maybe.
No, man. Like already, we wasted like 24 months, man. Doing one. No, I mean like doing one genre.
I'll think about it.
No, I'll think about it.
Because my emulation on my piano.
You see now. That's the wave. This wave have broken even in America as we speak. London is, you know. So please, man, try some other. You are a DJ. Tell yourself that, you know what, I'm not gonna be boxed saying that, yo, she's an R&B and soul DJ. I'm a DJ. Period. You say this type of a gig maybe it's for 2Ks. Since me it's gonna be like Yanos and whatever. Jump on those Yanos. Make sure that you do what you gotta do, man. So okay, have you been booked during the week, or it's only on weekend?
During the week?
Yeah.
I think it was once on someone's birthday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, once.
During the week. So the gigs during the week doesn't pop that much, eh? And then okay, I already asked that one. Okay, how do you handle? Cause I saw some lady came to you. I don't know if she did, cause I heard you saying something like okay or something. Or maybe she was just saying, oh, okay, DJ, fry, or something. Cause
I think she was complimenting me.
Oh, on your set. Oh, okay. Oh, alright. Okay. I hear you. I thought maybe, okay. So how do you handle song request. If somebody comes to you and says, "Yo,"
I'm not gonna play for anyone. I'm just playing. If you enjoy, you enjoy. You don't come to me and say, "Please play this." I don't do.
So you do what they book you for.
Yeah.
So if somebody wanna request songs, they have to book you.
Yeah.
Okay. Then when was the last time you played horses?
Yeah.
When was the last time you played horses? Do you know what horses? You see, that's why I'm saying. That's the reason I'm saying. You have to. It's more like you're playing a set, right? I think you're using USBs. Yeah. So maybe you're not cutting. You know. Like especially when we are saying your neighbors and everything. Now we don't know which song now is popping. Like what is going on here? Those are the horses.
Okay, the last time go gigging go down. Yeah. And then I was too nervous. How are you?
And then how did the crowd react?
They were normal. I think most of the people they understand or too.
Yeah.
Also men.
Guys, you must book here, man. You must book here so she can check down this fear, man. No, we have to eliminate this nervousness and stuff. And then you use headphones, right? When you're busy DJing. So what do you say to somebody who doesn't use headphones?
They are pro.
Like that.
Yeah. Because now I want to, like as I said before, perfection is my thing. So again I put you the chance. I'm thinking what I know this one. I rather listen to it first,
knowing that
before.
This
give it a show. Yes.
Oh, okay, man. Shout out. And then how do you stay updated with the new music and stuff?
YouTube.
Only YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube and some of the friends.
So it means like you are online person.
Yeah.
You're always searching for new stuff and stuff. Okay, and then most DJs have like your music, you know? I know that you are not like a Yanos person, even though I'm encouraging you to, because you don't know where this thing is going to take you. Because now it's just that you have boxed yourself, at this genre that you're saying I'm going to play this. So most DJs, especially on the Yanos, this is how I see it. Most people have like your single, your EPs, their own studios. So are we expecting anything? Are you in studio? Are you doing some music?
I can't even sing.
But you don't know because you never been in the studio. What do you mean you can't sing?
I know myself. How can I sing when I shower sometimes when I'm working?
No, but like I'm not saying about I'm not thinking about that. What do you mean? I'm thinking about like singing like
I can't sing. I don't wanna sing.
Oh, it's not your thing. No, you know what? I feel like you're sleeping on yourself, man.
No. But I can't sing. I be like interested on singing. I rather play music.
Have you ever tried to go to the studio or book a studio season? So how can you know? Right now I'm encouraging you to book some studio session. Do something. Even if it's just like your R&Bs and stuff.
Well, now you're too positive, Shampoo.
No,
I like it then.
Yeah, because like you have to keep pushing.
Yeah.
You have to keep pushing.
I will try maybe one day.
And then come on, let your man, let your partner play some Yanos, throw something here and there. I don't know, maybe you can be the best of the next Kosas and Adolde.
Yeah, maybe.
Or something. Stop sleeping on yourself, man.
I will stop. Definitely.
She said she don't have a manager. I think I have to manage it, guys. I think she really needs a manager, guys. Yo. No man, we have to keep the hustle. And then how do we handle situation where there's like a lack of your crowd engagement,
not as long as I play like most of the time, even if there's crowd or there's no crowd, as long as I'm playing, whoever who is there, if we enjoy, it's okay with me. If they don't, it's okay. Everything is okay as long as I'm still together. That's it.
Okay, it's a good thing because we are there to provide the service, but I think somehow you have to be worried on people's engagement.
But you can't control some of the things.
I hear you.
So it's rather you accept for it. Situation it's like this or not.
And then how long is your set when they book you?
1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, and then how much do you charge for the booking?
Around LX 500 for 1 hour.
Nah, I think after this interview, we have to do a little bit better. I think 500 is too low.
It's too low, but
because I've listened to your set. I've seen what you can do.
I deserve more.
Yeah. I'm telling you, guys. I had to listen, guys. I'm telling you, I had to, guys. I was there. I witnessed this thing, guys. At the end of this interview, please check how she does the things, guys. Man, nah, man. Maybe Alex, we can say 1,000 because it's local.
Yeah.
Then away, maybe we can, we can talk something else. Nah, man, that's crazy, man. And then what's your rider when they book you? You know what's a rider? Rider is like, because when they book you, you have to tell them your drink of choice.
Yeah.
So a rider is a drink of choice. Maybe let's say you are drinking your for example, your Savannah. Maybe it's 12 Savannah and a Hennessy. Or maybe it's 12 Savannah and a bottle of Grey Joe or something.
Your money and your 6 of whatever that you're drinking. Not 12, not Hennessy, no wine.
No, but like, what does your contract say?
I don't have a contract. Remember, I don't have a manager.
Guys, from what I have seen, there's a lot that have to be done here. For real.
I can think I'm still learning, understand? So I can't.
For 2 years.
Hey, because sometimes you can stay 6 months, especially if you are still in the game. You can stay 6 months
without a gig. Without a gig.
Yes. So you have to push yourself, especially when I can only manage one thing. So I must market myself, which is hard.
Yeah, which is I hear you. No man, we have to find a manager, man. Even if it's not me, but you have to have a manager, because manager is somebody who goes out there and hustle for you and then negotiate on your behalf. Because now your work is out there. 2 years, come on, your experience. It's not like you're a newcomer. As much as I saw you playing yesterday and stuff, like that was amazing, man.
Thank you.
So, by the way, man, something have to be done for real. So have you played before or after someone famous?
I've played before, which was once the last time on the 20.
Last month.
Last month, 28, 20 something or 30, somewhere there. After before will Kimanko Jautel? Oko Metro FM. Wilson. Tibos Mangman. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, so we didn't have a book. You must come and play. Okay, shout out. And then how do you how do you feel when you're booked, right? I agree. There will be like what do they call this when you are on the list, when they book you and stuff? What do they call it? The DJ
time slot.
Okay, when you are on the time slot, right? With maybe, let's say there's like 5 DJs, right? And between those 5 DJs, they play like 3 or 4 of your songs. So how do you handle that situation?
So sometimes I do have backup.
Okay.
But if maybe DJ L has already played maybe 2 hours before me, sometimes I repeat because maybe audience needs to be that much.
Oh, okay.
So
fair enough.
I repeat or I do my backup.
No. Yeah, but like repeating, they're gonna judge you. Repeating, they'll judge you.
They will judge me, but it won't be many people. Maybe 3-4 yana.
Cause remember, do you know the DJ who broke the world's record for playing a long set? I wonder you have to do your research. It's Black Coffee. He did 3 days non-stop. No, I'm just saying when it comes to music and sets and stuff. So you have to be prepared that if you're gonna okay, when they book you play for an hour, right? So it means you have to prepare songs for hour and a half. Your best.
My best is
to get it. So if somebody plays maybe 2 or 3 songs, you know that you still have like 10 more songs to replace those ones. So always your set mustn't be dried on like maybe 1 hour set on to get it.
Because sometimes they can book you for 1 hour, but maybe the DJ that plays after you is delayed. So you have to play until someone comes in. So besides repeating songs and stuff, you just have to have backup. Just in case.
I hear you. And then, what do you do? Do you have any source of income besides DJing?
I do makeup.
Okay.
I'm a professional, by the way. I went to school, guys. And also, I sell ice cream, side hustle. Okay, and then when was the last time they booked you as a makeup artist? Not so long.
Last week.
Yeah, I think 2 weeks back or 1 week for matric dance.
Oh, okay. And then how much do you charge per child? Or per
3, 4.
Nah, man.
4.
Cool. Okay, it's 400 per person.
Yeah, matric dance, not other things. Matric dance. I guess it depends on the occasion.
Yeah. Then when they book you, for example, for wedding,
650 upwards.
Like per person.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Not the bridesmaids and stuff.
Yeah.
Bride, anyone. Then the others also, they have their prices.
Oh, the steps and whatever. So it's 650 for bride and the groom as well. Or you don't make up the groom?
I do. I get one body by the makeup.
Oh, so it's 650. Because I get about to sweater and stuff. Yes.
Photos.
Yes.
That's all it's 21. I
hear you. Oh, so it's 650 for groom and the bride. Then those ones.
5.
Okay. Please, guys, book here, man. You're saying when was the last time they book you for makeuping?
I think it was 2 weeks back for matric dance.
Oh, okay. So wait. So which one between DJing and makeup artists, you get like most of the bookings?
I can say DJ.
DJing. Okay. Shut up. And then what can you say to the promoters, that are who keeps on booking you? What message do you have for them?
Simple.
You don't know?
Maybe or the challenges.
Yeah.
No, like
maybe sometimes I'll be happy.
Yeah.
because most of the time, what happens? The reason I don't have it because of I get happy most of the time.
Of course, put it out there.
They delay to give you attention. It's like I have to beg for the drinks, whereby already it's something that when I come in, you must be prepared.
Yeah.
I can't be running around looking for you.
Yeah.
You know that I'm coming.
I hear you.
You understand? You must check up on me.
Yeah.
I'm your client. It's your event.
Of course, because according to me, on what your partner is saying, it was, there was supposed to be like a table for you reserved.
Hey.
You know, saying okay, that one is for DJ 55. So when you come on board, they can remove that tag. Yes, because they can even do some printout, the triangle, whatever, put it there. So even people who are already there, they can know that she's coming, she's gonna pull up here. You know?
So the message is that.
So immediately you arrive, your bucket will be there with you, whatever, waiting for your set to start. Or they can hijack you as much as you're saying that maybe somebody can be caught on traffic or whatever, so you can do the same. So it means you're saying they don't give you enough attention.
Yeah, they don't. Treatment sometimes is not good, but not all of them.
Yeah.
Some. So yeah.
Now promoters, please guys, if ever you have booked somebody, make sure that they leave your place happy, guys, because they are there to entertain you, and then the more they entertain the audience, the more people are gonna buy more booze from you guys. These things goes hand in hand. The more they know that DJ 55 she's there, the more we're gonna pull up, because we know that you're gonna give us this, and then the more money we're gonna spend. So guys, please guys, let's respect our DJs, man. And then how much do you charge for, or how much pay your ice creams? I know mostly you do it for kids, right? So how much is your ice creams and stuff?
So mine, because of its quality.
Wow.
I don't sell for kids only.
Shout out.
So the prices they go for. They start by 8 rand cone, and then cup 10 rand, and then I have this special cone, sugar cone. It's for 12 rand.
Oh no,
yeah, soon I'm going up because quality.
Because you're eating a lot of things.
Yeah, I've got some sprinkles. Soon I'm gonna have some dipping what. Yeah.
And shout out, man. That was easy on it with Sithole. Do you want to plug anything? How can people get hold of you when they want to book you?
Facebook.
Because soon I'm going to be your manager. So how can people get hold of you if you're on social media? If maybe you're like email address or whatever, just...
I do have Facebook. I go by the name of Francina Lidwaba, and Instagram... Francina Lidwaba, and then email obviously lidwabafrancina@gmail.com. Number phone, I'm not sure.
You're not sure about the number phone?
Yeah.
But because you have to have like a business number.
I don't have at the moment. That's why I can see your show by giving out my personal numbers.
I hear you. Okay, I hear you, man. So on Facebook is Francina Lidwaba. On Insta is Francina Lidwaba. And then email address is lidwabafrancina@gmail.com. No, shout out, man. I've seen your set is very nice. After this interview, I'm still gonna drop part of what she does, so stay tuned. That was easy on it with Sithole. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when I drop a video, you'll be notified. It was me, Sithole, T-Man at the back, and I'll be here. We out.